you really want, you should want to convert your audio, your mono audio, to stereo, because this can really improve the overall quality and depth of your audio recordings. So stereo sound provides a richer listening experience by really creating a sense of space and really separating different sound audio elements. Also, stereo audio allows for a wider sound stage. Also, is more compatible with playback devices and platforms that support stereo playback. So, if you want to achieve this, you just select this track, press Command plus D, or select the audio for duplicate. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Sorry, just select the audio. And then here we have this audio. You can also go to edit and here paste, click on duplicate if you want. You can also use Control D if you're on Windows. Use the shortcut, or just go here to edit and then duplicate. You choose, and then we can press Command plus A or Control plus A to select both. And we can go here, and then here we have this option to make stereo track. I just want to let you know that this is just a workaround. This is not the perfect way. The perfect way is just to do it right when you start, right when you record your video. Make sure you are recording. So here, where is it? Here, recording channels, make sure you select stereo, and you always record in stereo, because this is not the perfect way. This is just a workaround in my opinion. And now just start working with Audacity, because it's just helpful. It's going to help you to learn other options, because not only that you can do a lot in Audacity. I think it's open platform, can be helpful to learn. And if you have more questions while you're learning, if you stumble upon something that you don't know how to do in Audacity, write a comment down below, like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and take care.